How do you find out whether your product is restricted by Amazon? Well, there's a couple of ways to identify this. So first of all, I wanted to show you exactly where you can go and find the restricted products list from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description or the notes section. But I wanted to show you an example quickly. So I know for a fact that lockpick set is on the restricted list. So let's have a look at this. And you can probably already understand why, because it's trying to break into somebody's house. It's against the law. It's something that Amazon does not want to be associated with. So if you ran the numbers on these, what you will find is a fantastic results in terms of revenue, extremely low reviews because these people keep on getting kicked off and trying to get back on. So they're generating a lot of money, but they get kicked off and they're probably stuck with a lot of products left over. So they have to try and sell that in a different way or on a different platform. So if the results that you're looking for looks like this, the reviews are extremely low across the board, and the revenue is extremely high and the sales are very high, then this is a product that shouts warning signs to me, and I would check the restricted products list. How do you check the restricted products list? Well, you go onto the website where I've provided the link below, and Amazon will show you exactly what the restricted products are. So it can put it under categories. If you have a quick read through some of these, you'll understand why. But over here you can see stolen property and lock picking devices is prohibited. So this is the prohibited listings, and you can see right here is the lock picking sets. So that's how you go about checking to see if your product is a restricted product by Amazon.